What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the live stream. Give me a 1 2 1 2 if everything sounds great, and we'll get into it tonight. We're gonna be looking at some coins before we jump in the Degen coins tonight. Hey, first bam bam, welcome. So yeah, we have some requests in the Discord that we're gonna be covering, and then we're gonna be jumping into some Degen coins tonight. So first things first. That sounds a little, music's a little loud there, I think. There we go. So first things first, we got some requests here in the Discord. Let me pull them up. These are the requests that we're gonna be going over. We're gonna go over Tama Doge, VXV, Catherine Gaming, MXC, Pepe Doge 2, and Hihu. I think he meant haha. What's up? So yeah, BTC is actually looking like it wants to push higher here on the day chart. It looks like it wants to test that. I feel weird saying it, test that, upper $40,000 range. Now this $44,000 range for BTC is our current resistance area right here. I'd say 45,000. That's been our resistance back here from February 2022. But if you look at our indicators right here, we have the MACD that's actually working on having a bullish crossover on the day chart. The last time we had a bullish crossover in the day chart was when we broke above the 618 right here, and Bitcoin shot up approximately 17-18% after that. So that's what happened in our last bullish movement, and our prior bull movement to that was October 16th. And when we had that bullish crossover, that shot us up approximately all the way up to here. That shot us up 45% on BTC. So the last 3 times on the MACD that we've crossed from bearish to bullish, we've saw very bullish movement for BTC, largely to the upside, with a minimal movement of, what was that, 8 or what was that, like 14% of 23%. So we got to keep that. I mean, RSI is definitely starting to tail up. It looks like the RSI kind of double bottomed right here and wants to head to the overbought area. It looks like the WTX is starting to tail off as well. So it looks like BTC definitely wants to try to overtake this $45,000 resistance area. And we have a lot of juice behind us now on the day chart to actually do it too. Like I mentioned, the last 3 times that we've had this bearish to bullish crossover here, we've saw some very explosive movement to the upside for BTC. So keep an eye on $45,000, guys. That's going to be the make or break for BTC. I'd say, let's draw a square box here real quick, rectangular box, I guess you could say. This is the resistance channel that BTC has to break. So I think we were going to be running into this until we actually break it. But that's what we're going to be. That's our goal right there, guys. Break that resistance channel. Okay, so we have enough people in the chat now. We can start charting some altcoins. But BTC is looking strong on the day. If you look at the 3-day chart, 3-day chart's looking bearish, but I mean, it's been looking bearish for a while now. We still haven't dropped yet, so we'll see what happens. Like we mentioned earlier, I think what BTC is probably going to do is just chop around to the end of the year. Just go sideways to the end of the year, and who knows? People might be doing tax harvest towards the end of the year. We might see a pullback on BTC. We'll have to see. People selling for their losses so they can harvest it on their taxes. That's always a concern at the end of the year. So let's get into the coins that were requested on the Discord. So we have Tama Doge. I requested Tama Doge. That doesn't count. VXV from Mastermind OG. VXV is currently up 9.7 at 61 cents. All-time high is 19.19. I'm extremely bullish on VXV in the bull run. I think it's easily going to crash through its all-time high. Easily, I think. Yeah, this is perfect. All the charts that we were looking at. I mean, if you've been watching my channel for the last couple live streams, a lot of charts that we're looking at, they break out back tests and then start ripping. VXV has never broke out of its lifelong downtrend until right now. It's back testing its lifelong downtrend, and it looks like we got a confirmation bounce off of that. And if we go over charts today, I want you to remember this current chart pattern, because you're going to be seeing it everywhere. You're going to be seeing this pattern right here, and then a breakout of a very lengthy downtrend, a back test, and some of them are going to see very large movements to the upside, and others of them are going to be at the first stages of that. So I think that's currently what VXV is at right now. I think VXV is currently back testing, and then we're going to start seeing some explosive movement to the upside. So it's looking great, guys. VXV is definitely looking solid. Broke out of your lifelong downtrend. There's nothing more bullish than that. And you actually maintained above the 236 here at 52 cents. So that is your goal right there. Stay above 52 cents for VXV. If you do that, you're golding. Next main resistance area is at $1. You overtake $1, I think heading up to that golden pocket here is going to be a no-brainer. It has a small market cap, small circulating supply, so once it starts moving, it absolutely moves. So we've never been out of the VXV downtrend since January of 2022. So congratulations, because we've officially broken out for VXV. That's awesome. Chef says STX. Man, STX is pumping today, I saw. Yeah, 19.8%, 19.3%, 2 billion market cap, 1.4 in circulation. All-time high is 339. We're only down 56% from that all-time high. And with Bitcoin taking off and ordinals, man, with the ordinals becoming more popular, that means stacks is going to start going up higher as well. All-time low was 4 years ago. Yo, stacks just broke above the 618, and then we had this horizontal resistance here, and we actually overtook that as well, and we still have some room to run. Holy crap. So we officially did not double top. I think that's what we talked about last time, was the possibility of a double top for STX, and that did not happen. The next main resistance for STX is sitting up here at 183 at the 786. Now we're still bullish here on the MACD on the day chart. Nice engulfing candle today. We're currently heading up higher on the RSI, and we've been putting in higher highs, and well, I got technically that's a lower low there, but you can see we actually put a higher high here, and I think we could be heading back up here to put an even higher high for the RSI. So STX is looking good, man. We still got some juice in the tank. We haven't printed a sell signal yet here on the day chart either. A 4-hour time frame on it. Yeah, 4-hour time frame is showing some volatility to the downside, but I wouldn't be too concerned about that. I mean, maybe a slight pullback back down to around 140, 120, and then head up here, something like that, to verify this uptrend support on the short term. Yeah, for the short term, this is what I would assume. Something like this. And that would be verified on the day chart as, you know, a slight pullback rally. Yeah, this is looking like the play, guys, for STX right here. Did you see Crazy Frog 30,000% today? I did not. What are you listening to? 1 second. Ralph. What is this? It's on Hedera. It's a Hedera shitcoin. Hedera hash. Greetings and welcome to the digital the wild inhabitants of the enchanted world. What in the world? Yeah, up 30 or up 32.1% at 16. Music was making me want to put on a sundress and run through a poppy field. Yeah, I'm trying this new I like to play royalty-free music, so I'm trying all these. I have all these channels that I can click on and play. I'm trying to find a good one. I was just playing prior to this. I was playing this right here, chill, relax, unwind, and chill, and I was playing that fairy music. So currently, Saucer Swap, never heard of it. Well, I'm guessing that we're not gonna have. Oh, it's also available on Trader Joe. Probably won't have that good of a. Well, looks like we have to go to our handy dandy DEX. Handy dandy DEX screener. So Grelf, Grelf. Nope, that's nice. Grelf. Oh, I also want to show you guys a type of play that I've been doing. like when I've been bored and I have like an hour of free time and I've been scalping some money. I'm going to show you guys how I do that and what I've been doing. Very, very risky what I've been doing, but I've made some pretty good profits on it, and I'll show you guys here after this. Yo, this thing's taking off. Ralph taking off. Bottom of the top right here, you actually just broke above the 382 at 15 cents. We have to get our handy dandy indicators on here, which is the MACD. We need the MACD. We also need the RSI. Wow, you're pretty overbought. Pretty overbought here on Gral. What'd you say? Did you see, or no, targets for Gral and paper would be lovely. I mean, right here on the day chart right now, you just have to maintain above 15 cents. If you maintain above 15 cents, your next stop is 20, but you are extremely overbought here on the RSI and the day chart. So we'll be looking out for that. So Gral isn't looking too bad right now. The RSI is a little high, but you do have room to run. I mean, it's actually a 100 and wow, 100 and I mean, that's only 2x, 143% back to the all-time high. Yeah, so maintain above 15. The next step would be 21. Ask darn good one about Hedera token in the Discord. Hedera sucks. No, I'm just kidding. Every time I say that, Hedera actually makes large moves. Graph was about 1 million market cap. Yeah, it says right here 1.1 million with actually good liquidity as well, 316,000. It's been out for 1 year and 20 days. We need token sniffer. Come on, token sniffer. You can sniff out them tokens, make sure they're not scams. And how you do that is you just copy this address, copy it, and then you paste it in here. Most of the time it pulls it up, but see, no results there. What is up with that address? That is weird. Graph 0000. You can't find any tokens, never see, I have no idea. Hi dude, can you look at Turbo? We can actually look at Turbo on here. Do you own any Gral? So Turbo's down 4%. $37,000 market cap. That's not bad for being listed on such large exchanges. Like Turbo's actually listed on some legit exchanges, which is pretty awesome, and small market cap. All-time high in this bad boy, I believe, was pretty high too. Yeah, 003. And 3 months ago, if you bought it, you'd be up 7x on your investment already. That's insane. Turbo right now on the 4-hour chart's not looking bad at all. I mean, the WTX is pretty much reset already. Yeah, you can go lower, but it seems like there's 2 areas of support here for the WTX. Either around 32, you can see how many times we've bounced off this general area, or if you break below that, you go all the way down to the bottom. So we're heading towards a support area. We just have to see if it holds support. And I think it does, because if you look at the MACD is actually losing its bearish momentum, working towards a bullish crossover here with the RSI completely reset as well. So we just want to start seeing this curve up, and I think we'll be in the clear. I mean, it actually looks like we broke out of the RSI downtrend right now, so I think it's just a matter of time. I mean, we still do have this uptrend, uptrend support area going on here for Turbo. I thought this was gonna be a double top, man. It kind of looked like it, but you guys found some support here at around 0005. Crazy. Yeah, you want to break over 0055. That's your goal. If you guys stay below the 786 right here, it's going to shove you down, like rubbing your nose. Never mind. I was just, yeah. So you guys actually need to break this. If you don't break it, man, you're going to fall off the table. Look at the price volume here. There's really not a whole lot. Very, very thin price volume with gaps. So it's kind of like a glass leg, you know, one little crack and it'll all break. So you don't want to break out of this uptrend that you're currently in, and you don't want to, or you do want to break above the 786 at 005. So I guess we'll find out in the next day or so, right? The next day or so, it should be determined which way Turbo's going, and the day chart's looking extremely bearish, unfortunately. Now, when you zoom out, you're actually just about to cross over bearish here on the MACD. The RSI is high, and the WTX also printed double sell signals. So hopefully, I mean, this kind of does look like a double top, like I mentioned. When in doubt, zoom out. M and cryptos are bearish. Not saying we're to go all the way back down here for Turbo, but there is a chance that we go down to the 618 here and then rally up for Turbo. So we'll see, man. If BTC continues chopping around the same price range, Turbo's probably going to capitulate a little bit. Oh, okay. I'm going to show you guys something that I've been doing. I've been making some pretty good money off this, but you can get wrecked really, really easily doing that. I only do it with like 10 bucks. What I do is I go to deck screener, and then over here, there's new pairs. You click new pairs, and then you can go by age. If you go age, you can see we can go all the way back to 36 minutes ago. And I think you can actually, I have to figure out how to do it. 5 minutes ago. Yeah, you can get some that are like, as soon as they come out here, you can jump in and see if you would have got in 5 minutes ago, like right here, it just popped up derp, you know, 1 minute ago. 5 minutes ago, if you got in, you'd be up 6x already. So what you can do is you can click on it, and then you can click trade on Radium, right? And then this is where you connect your wallet and everything, and then you can quickly trade for it. But the thing to watch out for is they do pull the rugs on these. Like, you see, look, if we would have got in already, it went from 6 to 1,000, 1,100. So we would have just got a 4x right there. So I only do this with like 10 bucks, because see, I would have made 10 bucks into 40 bucks right there, 50 bucks. Look at it, it's at 1,543 right now. But sometimes these things just the liquidity just gets stolen right out of it, and it goes straight to zero. So it's very, very risky. That's why I only do small amounts. But see, we would have already gotten at what? Look at it, we got in at 600, and it's up to 18 right now. We would have got in at 600 just then, and it's up to 18 right now. And then you get out. Look, it's up to 2,000 right now in the last 5 minutes. 2,452 in the last 5 minutes. We should have got on this on the live stream. That would have been sweet. See, quick in and outs. That's the play for these. Just quick in and outs. You go here, you go to the new pairs, go to the age, wait for a new one to drop, and you can just click on this. And if you click trade on Radium right here, this is where you connect your Phantom wallet. And then you see you can confirm this token has appeared. Doesn't matter. You click confirm. I don't want to get in right now. But see, then I can do my Sol. If I can do max on Sol or whatever. You need some Solana in order to do this. Sol, and then you'd swap it. So, and then once you get out, you just swap it back from that into Solana. But that's just what I've been doing. Look at that God candle. Yeah, it's at 3,000 and we found it at 600%. So that's just some degen. That's some absolute degen stuff right there at 10 bucks. So we would have turned 10 bucks. What was that? 6. And we would have turned it into a couple $100 just in the last 3 minutes. See, but look at, see, it's heavy. It just dropped massively by 50%. So that's what I've been doing when I'm bored. Just toss 10 bucks into these bad boys, wait for the newest one to drop. And then if it gets rugged, you're only out 10 bucks. But if it goes up, you see, we would have been up pretty good there. See, there's a new one that just came out here 1 minute ago. Up 732. We could have got in. Bam. Bang, bang, bang. Could have got in. And then you just let it ride. And then once, wherever it goes, and you want to get out, you just exit. But yeah, that's a little degen stuff that I've been doing lately. Another one I want to look at here, guys, is Baby Bonk. Just to be transparent, I do own Baby Bonk, and I guess you can say I'm kind of an advisor for them. I am working with the team in all their like leadership meetings and stuff like that. And they're doing a lot of pretty cool stuff behind the scenes. It's 100% community owned coin. The dev actually took all his liquidity out right here and tried to rug the project, but the community came together and took over the project. So there's no like marketing and stuff. All the marketing's coming from, you know, the community and stuff for like, you know, promotions and stuff like that. But this is what I'm looking for Baby Bonk. Right? If we ignore the initial coin pump, which you normally do on new coins, we actually finding support here at the 618 for Baby Bonk right now. So hopefully we get some support here at around 0.049, 0.005. We can start seeing some bullish movement to the upside up to that 127 area at 10 cents. So fingers crossed. We are working. Wow, that's a 20x right there. We are working and getting on DEX tools right now. We did launch a roadmap today, and the roadmap's pretty cool. So if you guys want to look into Baby Bonk, at $503,000 market cap, 83,000 liquidity. It's on Solana. Natasha says ICP. ICP to the moon. So ICP is down 7.7. Wow, 3.9 billion market cap, all-time high 2 years ago, still down a crazy amount from the all-time high, but I'm guessing that's the initial coin launch when it was at 700 bucks. Yeah. But yeah, ICP broke out of its very, very lengthy downtrend. I would dare to say lifelong downtrend since its all-time high. Yeah, it's definitely has. I mean, you could draw this. Oh shoot, that's not accurate at all. You can actually draw this and see that we broke out on November 2nd, 2022. So this is extremely bullish, man, breaking out of a multi-year resistance. It's just right now on the day chart, we are seeing some pullback. After a large movement like this, it's natural. You just got to cool down a little bit before you start making another high. And on the day chart here, you can see that cool down phase currently happening. We're starting to become more bearish here on the RSI or the MACD. The RSI technically was overbought at flashed red, saying, hey, might be a good time to take profit. If we would have listened, we would have been able to catch the top right there. If we also listened to the sell signal that was off the charts, that red that flashed there on the day chart, we would have caught the top there as well. So what I'm thinking is we probably have to retrace back down to the 786 or the 618 if I'm, oh yeah, we're already at the 786 and we actually just broke below it. So for ICP right now on the day chart, I'd be keeping an eye on $7. $7 is the 618 area, and that would allow the indicators to cool down a bit before we started rallying to the upside. Now we can go back, we can go down that far and still be bullish. I mean, we actually have our low all the way down here. You could actually come all the way down here and bounce and still be bullish, but I don't think it's going to go down that far. I'd be keeping an eye on the 618 at $7. So the day chart looks like it wants to go to 7, and on the short-term time frame, short-term time frame's almost reset, but the short-term time frame we are below the 786 as well. So long-term time frame's calling $7, 4-hour time frame's calling 850. Yeah, so you have to keep an eye on 850. You break below 850, you're going on the 765. You break below 765, you're going down to $7. These are the three support areas to keep an eye on for ICP on the drop. The 618, the 0.5, and the 382. Yo, Grizz in the house. What's up, dog? What's up, dog? Oh, we're just chilling tonight. Just chilling tonight. Not a whole lot going on. Not a lot. Just didn't want to upload a whole bunch of videos today. It's just so much easier doing live streams than, you know, making a bunch of videos. You can go over so many coins. You get to interact with people while you do it. Doge Chain. The FUD is starting to kick in on Doge Chain. So there is FUD on Doge Chain, and if we look at the FUD, let's see. I'll show you guys what the FUD is. So they're voting to switch Doge Chain to the Polygon network, and there haven't been very clear of what's going to happen with the tokens on exchanges and stuff like that, but they kind of came out and said there's nothing to worry about, all your tokens will be safe, yada yada yada. So it kind of stirred up some FUD on Doge Chain, so that's why we saw a drop today. If we actually look at the charts, there was a huge whale that sold today as well, but if you look at the charts though, we're still holding our uptrend that we've been in since October of 2023. We did put in a higher low as well, so we still maintained our bullish structure on Doge Chain since October. It's just we saw a larger correction today. You can see we have a high, low, high, low, high, low, higher, 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 low. So for Doge Chain right now, if we go from the top of the wick to the bottom, we actually wicked right to that 382 area. Now we just need to work our way back up to the 618 and overtake that 0014. You can see what happens with FUD. I mean, it's just everything gets discombobulated. I mean, you go from bearish to bullish really quick. You get super choppy here on the RSI. So day chart, that's what I'd be looking for, is maintained above the 382. Hopefully we head back up to that 618. If you look at the 4-hour time frame from Doge Chain, it's looking solid. It's looking like a reversal wants to happen here, and actually our main price volume is right down here now, so being above that, that's also another support area for Doge Chain. So I think tomorrow or the day after we'll start seeing some decent sized recovery for Doge Chain. At least, you know, they're a 26% pump back up to around that 618 area to try to overtake that. Now, if we look at the short-term downtrend, this is what we're currently contending with. So obviously you have to break out of the downtrend in order to move higher. So I'll keep this drawn here. So if we revisit it tomorrow or the day after, we'll know if we broke the downtrend or not. But I haven't sold any of my Doge Chain. It is what it is. I'm holding it. I'm super bullish on it. Then we look at Doge Eat Doge, which is Omnom. We found this a couple live streams ago. I do have a decent sized bag of this. It's a meme coin on top of Doge Chain. And even though Doge Chain dropped, Doge Eat Doge went up pretty decently today. The market cap's only 453,000, guys. So extremely small market cap. And it's actually listed on MEXC. I think it's one of the smallest market cap coins that I've found on MEXC besides PIAS. I think PIAS is smaller. So this is 453. PIAS is question mark. Seems like coins to get FUD rip later on. It seems like coins to get FUD rip later on. Yeah, I agree. It shakes out all the paper hands, then all the diamond hand holders come in and buy it all up. Then we just go to the moon, and then the people who sold start FOMOing back in. But yeah, man, last 30 days, Omnom's up 187%. I mean, when we find this 2 live streams ago, or 3 live streams ago, I don't remember when that was. Yeah, we found it a while ago. We're up pretty decent on that. We're also up pretty good on Dogeology. This one's an absolute beast right here. Like, the market cap on this is super small. Yeah, we actually got in before the 325% pump. I dare to say that we bought in pretty much close to the bottom, I would have to say. Like, if we look at the Dogeology chart on yeah, Dogeology is also available on MEXC. See, we called this the possible breakout. We actually broke out. Now we're back testing the uptrend support area. So if that holds, man, this thing's about ready to rip. We did get in right down here, actually, believe it or not. I think this candle was everyone that we found on the live stream, and I was telling everyone not to get in before the live stream ended, and then we just went up like 300%, and I was like, guys, you didn't let me get in. You didn't let me get in. But yeah, we found on the live stream right here, and this is extremely bullish pattern happening right now. And if I remember correctly, the market cap's just stupid small. I don't think it tells it on anything here. You have to like do the math, and I really don't want to do math on the live stream. But yeah, like I said, man, this is the Degen plays I've been doing. I just going to the deck screener and doing the, you know, sorted by age, go to the newest. 46 seconds ago, this is up 7x already. Naruto, 1 minute ago. If you bought in, you'd be up 39%. But the thing about this is, look, as soon as they come out, they can drop 74%. Some of them just go straight down to 100. But what I do is I just, as soon as one comes out, toss like 10 bucks in. If it gets rugged, it gets rugged. But if you get in soon enough, sometimes you can get like 10, 20x on it and turn that $10 into 200. Okay, so we have 14 people in the chat, not bad. So outside of that gamble type play that I've been doing on Dex Screener and stuff like that, we have been doing future trades. If you guys like trading futures, definitely check out the BTCC exchange. And also in our Discord, we do offer future signals completely free every single day. I upload future signals here, and we actually have 3 BTCC master traders in our Discord. So you're able to copy trade on you're able to copy trade on BTCC. If you go to BTCC, we have Chef, Kalish, and Pixelated John. There are 3 BTCC masters, and they deserve to be in that role. So there are 3 people that you can contact on the Discord, and you're able to copy trade them. So if you're not comfortable future trading by yourself, knowing when to get in or when to get out, if you have some extra money, you can just copy trade them. You just log into BTCC under my affiliate link, find their username, click on it, and when you see a trade that they're in, you can just click copy, and it just copies their trade for you. So it's easy as a click as a button to do some future trading with BTCC. So with that, guys, I am going to do a commercial. All right, so yeah, if you guys are interested in that and you really don't know how to do it, just head over to my Discord channel. The link is below in the descriptions, and just ask there, and we can get you set up for that BTCC, teach you how to copy trade and everything like that, make some money doing futures. Smoke break time, that'd be nice, right? You know, I've been starting to drink this mineral water stuff, and it really doesn't quench your thirst. It just makes you more thirsty. I swear. It does not quench your thirst whatsoever. How's A0 doing? Dude, A0 is about ready to rip. So if you've been following my channel for any amount of time, you know I'm an extreme moon boy on Aleph 0. I've been a moon boy all the way since here. I was a moon boy all the way down here, man. We were moon boys the entire time. And something crazy, actually, we'll actually go here. Commons is launching on Aleph 0. It's actually their DEX. It's their legit DEX. So if we go to Aleph 0 on Twitter here, you can see where they at? Common right here. So new website just landing, CommonFi. So it is their DEX, the official DEX of Aleph 0, and they're gonna have a common token. And whoever's been staking Aleph 0 on any type of platform, Nova Wallet or anything like that, you're getting a free airdrop of the common token. So however long you've been staking, whatever amount you've been staking, you're gonna get a drop of free coin for that common DEX. So I know I've been staking a pretty large amount for a pretty lengthy period of time. So I'm pretty curious to see what amount of drop of that coin I'm going to get, but it's pretty cool. This is going to be their DEX. So you know how you use Pancake Swap and you use Phantom Swap and all that stuff? This is actually A0 Swap right here. Multi-chain DEX that respects your rights to choose what to share and what to keep private. So it's a DEX with the capabilities of a SEX, a centralized exchange. So show what you want to the rest of the world, trade on chain like never before. Just slide it, orderly private, broader exposure, trade across multiple ecosystems, set private limit orders and trades at the best price, Pick between two modes, transparent and private for every trade. So what this means is, you know how when you're on a centralized exchange, for example, you can see the bid and the ask price. Here you can order privately, so you can put your limit price here and it won't pop up, so you won't be able to see, you know, the buy wall or the sell wall or anything like that, because a lot of people use that for price manipulation, right? And if you're doing a large buy, you really don't want to broadcast that out to the network. So on this DEX, you're actually able to do that privately, so you know, it doesn't really affect the price that much. Pretty cool. DeFi challenge of the day. Some questions about sex and public DEXs come with no simple answers. Does placing an order influence the asset price? With non-private DEXs, yes. Visible large orders have enough power to move the needle. That's what I just mentioned. Visible large orders, people see that and they start FOMOing in. Can network validators get an edge over traders? And conventional DEXs, validators can use the MEV to front run large trades for their own benefit. So privacy solution above rest, the challenge for legacy system will soon. I'll let you guys read this. We're not going to read the whole website, but this is coming by the end of the year, boys. Actually, their testnet, I think their testnet went live today. So I think that's going to pump Aleph 0, man. That is going to be on Aleph 0. So you can use your Aleph 0 coins, you know, just like you can use Solana on Phantom Swap and stuff like that, or you can use the Phantom token. So that's pretty cool. That's what we're looking for Aleph 0. And we're actually super bullish right now on Aleph 0, still climbing on Aleph 0. We still have the length of that flagpole to go too. So I would have to say in the short term, Aleph 0 might have hit a top, but this is kind of what I'm looking at for Aleph 0 right here. Probably something like this, and then rally out by Christmas. It looks like the latest it can rally is until Christmas before it decides when it's going to run. So fingers crossed, man. Fingers crossed. It's my largest. I'll be transparent with you guys. It's my largest bag in my portfolio. That's how bullish I'm on. I think it can go to $50 to $100 easy. Idaho in the hizzy. How about KP3R? Oh, looks like we have to pull up the DEX for this one. Oh, what the heck? Is it this one on Ethereum? How about KP3R? Yeah, I'm assuming it's this one on Ethereum. Dang, there's a lot of big buys and big sells. Look, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 500. Wow, there's a lot of big buys and sells on here. $34 million market cap with 1 million liquidity. That's not bad at all. That's pretty good. Let's see what the lifetime chart is. Yo. Oh my gosh. It's a 25x back to the high. Yo, this isn't a bad chart either. 2 issues. What are the issues? Mintable. Okay, so it's mintable means they can make more coins, which might mean it's going to be a little bit harder to obtain these previous high prices because there's probably more coins in circulation. Has a blacklist. Yeah, I don't know. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't know what that means. Whether the blacklist function is included in the contract. If there's a blacklist, some addresses may not be able to trade this. Okay, so they can just blacklist addresses apparently. Yeah, this doesn't look like a bad trade. I would try to figure out if they put more coins in circulation. I would assume that they have. I mean, does oh wow, there's not a whole lot of coins though. Looks like max supply. Looks like all of them are in circulation now. Oh, it's available on other exchanges. I don't know why we were looking at it on DEX. Bang, BitTrue. Oh, it's available on Binance. Okay. I'm learning. Okay, so that means we can actually see if they put more coins in circulation now that we found it on CoinGecko. All I have to do is go to max. Yo, they put more coins in circulation November of 2021, but all the coins are in circulation now, so the possibility of going back to the all-time high is actually doable. It's actually doable, guys. All-time lows 3 years ago, we're only up 187, so yeah. $2,000 might be on the table this bull run. What is this? Run decentralized infrastructures and get paid for it. We're learning from each other, boss. Love it. Great Discord too. Appreciate it, man. I'll be honest with you guys, like I have my bags. Like my bags are packed now. You know, I had my bags before, I thought, and then we got into Degen coins, and we've actually gotten the Degen coins, I feel like, at the perfect time, because I think we caught the bottom of quite a few of them, and we're up pretty good on them. And I just can't think of anything more to add to my portfolio. It's just holding now. I think I'm actually set. I think my bags are officially 100% packed now, guys. We're ready to rock and roll. I mean, what a bear market that was, right? That was a brutal bear market, guys. That was so boring. But man, did we make some plays or what? Did we make some plays? I mean, who else besides me and Grizz caught Bonk? I mean, we caught Bonk. We caught the drop on FTX. You know, the big short on FTX, which we were all making some mad money on that. Serum, you know, Alameda's coin, we shorted the crap out of that. We made good money on that. Luna, we shorted that, made a crap money of that in the bear market. So I guess the bear market wasn't all negative. We did make some pretty good profit, guys. But man, it was boring. But now that I have all my bags packed, it kind of makes it like, why look at charts now? Just hold. That's how I'm kind of feeling, like, why look at charts now? It's not like I'm going to buy anything more. But I am pretty excited for that common drop for Aleph 0. That's just gonna be more coins for free. Be more coins. So this, okay, so let's get back into the TA. Okay, TA time, day chart. Enough rambling. Okay, we haven't overtaken the 236 yet in the lifelong fib. Short-term fib from this high to the low. Still haven't taken over the 236 on that yet, which isn't good, I guess you could say. What about from this high to the low? Yikes. Okay, so here we go. Off the short-term fib right here, which we'll be using here, we did bounce off that 0.5 perfectly. You can see the candle body hit it. We did wick briefly below it. And now we're starting to work our way back up to the 618 here at $75. Indicators actually are nicely reset. We have the WTX, which is below 0, which is a good reversal indicator. We have the RSI below 50. Are we below 50? Yeah, we're at 48, and the RSI is starting to tail back up. So we want to focus on here for the RSI is this downtrend. If we break above that, we can start seeing some more bullish momentum to the upside for it. The MACD is losing its bearish momentum. So it does look like in the short term for KP3R, what's it, Keeper? I think that's the nickname for it, Keeper. It does want to move up another 10% to the 618. So keep an eye on that. If you overtake that, you're heading back up to the 786. Which is a 27% move. And then this is your make or break line right there. That's your moon line. You do not want to get rejected at the 786 again if you get up there, because this is a 1 top. This is a 2 top. If you come back up here and that's a 3 top, after a 3 top comes a drop top. And then it's bad news bears after that. So I think in the meantime, that's going to be the plays. Keeper's probably going to be working its way slowly but surely back up to the 786 at around $90. And then we'll have to keep a close eye on it once it gets up to 90. I do take profits from runners and buy laggers sometimes. Gives a reason to keep charting. Yeah, I guess. It's just I don't want to just continually rotate, you know. That's how you get. I I just, now that I have my bags, I really just don't want to touch anything, touch any of my coins. Just let them sit and marinate for the bull run. Access Protocol up 79% today. Nice run. Made some pretty good money on Access Protocol last bull run. Wow, this looks like it's actually about to start its bull run. Actually, or bull run. Let's see, ACS. Yeah, look at that bottom. I would dare to say that ACS is on the first steps of its bull run. That's a very, very beautiful chart right there. That's a nice rounded bottom. That's a nice rounded bottom right there. How far back does this chart actually go? It goes all the way back to, oh, that's on Coinbase. No, Access Protocol goes back further than February 2023. Did they relaunch the charts? Yo, did they relaunch Access Protocol? Because Access Protocol was around last bull run. And on CoinGecko, we're at max right now. And it's only setting us back to 2023. So they reset the chart. So if people look at it on here, it looks like a good coin. They're doing some shady shit, man. Because this has been out for a while. Could have swore Access Protocol was out back in. Yeah, I feel like they relaunched the coin. They had to have, because this definitely was. Can anyone back me up on that or no? I can look at my old videos to see if I made one back in the last bull run. I feel like I did. Yeah, but definitely broke out of its downtrend in October, and we're starting to see a rally here. If we draw from the high to the low right here, we're currently working up towards the 382 at around 005. Indicators are actually bullish on the day chart here, working our way up. We've never been overbought on the RSI, so we still have the capability of that here on this run up. If we look at the MACD is still bullish, and the RSI, oh, we just looked at the RSI, and the WTX has room to run to the upside as well. So I do think for the meantime, Access Protocol is going to be working its way up to the 382 at around 005, which from where we're currently at is another 15% move. And then if we overtake that, we're going to start stepping up very, very fast, something like this, and then to infinity and beyond. But yeah, this is actually looking pretty solid. I mean, if you would have bought here in October, you'd already be up 162%, 170%. That's not a bad coin for being on Coinbase at all. Access Protocol looks like if you just diamond hand it, you'll be fine. It's on the first stages of its bull run. I swear this was out last bull run. Could have swore. Maybe I just look at too many coins and I'm confusing it with something. Yeah. So what Degen plays is everybody into? Time to get down and dirty. We got 30 minutes left of the live stream. Let's find some garbage. So new pairs, go to newest, age 1 minute ago. Like, this is the gamble plays right here, man. This is how you make money but get wrecked. Just wait for a new coin to drop, get in and hope it just runs. Get in, get out. But see, this can happen right here. This Barbie whiff hat down 99.19%. Yeah, no problem, Paul. No problem at all. No problem, L. EWFB, super degenerate. Elizabeth Warren. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 7 days old. Oh, you really can't chart this, bro. Only 5,000 liquidity, 412,000 market cap. I mean, if you get one big sell, this thing's going to go to zero. And it's a high risk play. I mean, there is more buying volume than selling volume, that's for sure. This is what I'm currently in right now. It's down today. It's holding at the 618. It's holding at the 618. 1 hour chart looks like it's about ready to rip. We actually bounced off our prior high back here as well. See, when coins first come out, you always ignore this initial pump because it always pumps and then it always dumps. So you always take that out of the equation. It always messes up your chart. So you go off the initial coin bottom to the top, which is from here to here. And this was the current high. We actually found good support at that. Now we just need to overtake this downtrend. We should be good to go. So I'm actually an advisor for this coin. You can join their Telegram. It's just a community. It's a community coin. The dev actually tried to rug pull, but the community didn't allow it. The community took over. Contracts were announced and everything like that. So everything's ran by the community. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah. Baby Bonk's pretty cool. So you can go on their Telegram. They have all their stuff here. And then of course, you know, I have all my other Telegrams here. And the Baby Bonk OGs, that's where we discuss behind the scenes stuff right there. So can't click on that on the live stream. Can't give away some valuable information. Spread some FUD or hopium. Probably be too much hopium. But yeah, this is our current situation right now there for Baby Bonk. I just like the name. I like Baby Bonk. It is a beautiful name. Everyone should adopt a baby, right? Adopt a Baby Bonk. Crazy frog chart is interesting. You know what? Cat in the Hat. I saw that yesterday when I was doing my Degen plays. This thing absolutely, oh, they rugged it. Oh no, this is a different one. Oh, where did it go? They had a cat in a hat yesterday that just went absolutely parabolic. It was up like over 1,000x in 3 days. It was disgusting. Baby CC. Baby Bonk father. The Baby Bonk father. Soul beer. Yeah, I've heard a lot of people talking about Franc. Up 34% today. Yeah, this thing's about ready to rip. You break this high. Let's see. Let's zoom in here. Yeah, you're at it right now, man. If you break over this, you're gonna be shooting up to that 1.6 or that 1.27 right there. Dude, that's a 4x. This thing's about ready to do a 4x. Where's my indicators? Yeah, this thing's about ready to do a 4x off the rip. Well, not off the rip. I mean, you've been going up since October 11th. Yeah, you get over 2875 micro pennies, you're shooting up to 1850 micro pennies, which is a 4x from where we're currently at. It only has an $8.4 million market cap, 80,000 liquidity. Currently more buy volume than sell volume. We don't have additional information here. It's 11 months, 12 days old, so it's been out for a while. But yeah, this looks like a solid play. This definitely looks like a solid play. Karate, yeah, I remember you talking about that. I don't remember if we looked at it before. Are you in karate on H-bar? Are you in karate on Ethereum? Which one are you in? Ethereum or H-bar? One's 7 months old and one's 5 months old. I'll wait till you answer. Well, I won't wait forever, but I'll wait till you answer. It's probably a little delay. I'm in karate on H-bar, but you could buy it right in there. Oh. $66 million market cap, 124,000 liquidity. That's not bad. Is it listed on any exchanges? Oh, it is. It's available on MEXC. Yo, it's available on MEXC. It's available on Gate.io. Okay. So we don't even have to use Dex Screener. 7 months ago is when it came out. Oh, yeah, you were telling me that. Karate goes in the app, then you play tokens during the live fights. And so, okay, yeah. That actually sounds fun. So it's like sports betting. Yeah, this coin's about ready to pop too. You have the MACD about ready to flip bullish. RSI tailing up, WTX tailing up. We just have to break out of these downtrends first. So that is our current downtrend resistance area on the RSI. We have a downtrend resistance area on the WTX. So I guess we can say we're not bullish until we break out of those, but it is showing like we're going to be having some bullish momentum here soon. We're losing our bearish momentum rather quickly. Top to the bottom of the initial run up here, we're maintaining above the 786 here at 0017. So I would say if you break above 25696 micro pennies, you'll be good. Yeah, Header actually sponsors fighting events. I saw something on, I think it was a Facebook video or something, or a Twitter video. It was like an MMA fight and it had the big Header logo right in the middle of the ring. It was pretty cool. I was like, wait a second, I know that logo. Friday. Yeah, it just came out May 2023, man. So it hasn't seen any bull run yet. It might be a good, I mean, if you have a bag of it and you're up, not financial advice, just hold that sucker. Just hold it. Oh boy. Okay, so there really isn't MMA. It's just, okay. Friday Combat Part 4, free GSP KC43. Oh wow, it's actually playing right now. I was like, I thought this was an ad, but it's actually like real fights. Okay, so Karate Combat app, download the app, govern the first fan-controlled real-world sports league all in the palm of your hand. Grow your karate token stash every time your fighter wins. Vote on your fighter before each karate event. Climb the leaderboard and compete against other fans. So do you have to pay to do this, or you just free to bet, and if you win, you get coins? Oh, how it works? Maybe you'll tell me here. How does it work? Oh, we already looked at it. Pick your fighter. So how do you have to pay to vote? No, this is actually really cool. See the voting statistics for every karate combat event or league prosper. Total supply 100,000 million billion, circulating 100,000. Yo, man, I already said I had my bag packed. Come on, bro. Now you're showing me this. I'm gonna have to unpack some bags. Merch sale 4%, league investors, treasury. Have an idea that will improve the league. Put it in a vote on our fan governance forum. Yo, this is awesome. Oh, now I want to get some of it. Now I want to FOMO in. Only a $14 million market cap too. Like, that's a really cool idea. Yeah, that's a really cool idea. 100,000 million billion. A lot of coins, but small market cap. Get out. Yeah, I'm gonna download the app after the live stream and just mess around with it. I'll hit you up on Discord. Yeah, that's cool. Man, for some reason, I feel like this is just gonna melt faces right here. Dogeology. It's only available on MEXC. The BNB version of it was a rug. So the BNB version was a rug, but then it got listed on MEXC. So all the coins that are available are on MEXC. It's pretty much a meme coin. There's no devs, no nothing. It's just coins. It's the literal definition of meme coin. That's all it is just coins on MEXC. There's no updates of the website. There's no promises of anything. There's no roadmap. It's just coins. And the market cap, from what I remember, is only, I think it was like 420,000 or something like that. And if we look at the Dogeology, DOGE, it's up 26% today. There's 100,000 million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, 413 quadrillion coins, and all those coins are in circulation. We did buy this at the bottom. I won't say how many I have, but I have in the quadrillions, I guess you could say. Yeah, all-time low was 12 days ago. We talked about this earlier on the stream. I feel like we caught the bottom on this bad boy. But it's either a ride or die. I mean, I didn't put a whole lot in. But yeah, it doesn't even show the percentage. Like, what is that percentage right there? That's a 760x back to the high. 760x back to the high. So if we put at 032, I can't even do the math. I'm not even gonna try to do the math in the live stream because I'm horrible at it. Dugni, Dugni, D-U-N-D-U-G-N-I, J-U, Jugni. 27.5%. What is the market cap? Let's see. We'll have to go to the deck screener for that. Oh, okay. So it's a coin on Matic. I like it. I like it. Let's see. So this coin is 3 days old. There's one issue on it. What is the issue? Tax modifier. Okay, so that's not a deal breaker, but what that means is they can tax you 95% or 99%. So say you put $1 in and you make $100 off that $1, but if they have a 99% tax fee, when you try to get out, they take $99 and you're only left with your $1. So that's always kind of a red flag, is tax modifiable, because they can change that at any moment. But I mean, you really can't do TA on this right now. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's been putting in higher highs and higher lows. So if it just follows that trend alone, it's going to do something like this. What is the market cap? 1 million. Wow. $1 million market cap. Dude, you're 900 or 90K liquidity. Up 40% today. Yeah, it's a gamble. It's a gamble play, that's for sure. But you know, high risk, high reward. High risk, high reward. People are dropping some serious dough on it though, it looks like. Yeah. Tired. I am tired. So what do we see? Anything cool happening on Twitter? Nothing. Lost 10K in a shitcoin. What should I buy to make it back? I hate people that just farm like that. Like, hey, I need engagement. Let me just put some engagement tweet. Who is this guy? I don't even follow him. Why is he on my feed? So what's the big movers today? Stacks. We went over stacks. Phantom's up good, man. And we actually got into some Phantom plays. We're actually, yeah, good. That actually reminded me. We're actually in Phantom Doge and we are in Spirit. So we're in NBOO. So SPIRIT. Spirit swap. We did get in the Spirit swap, I want to say last week. And we're up 20% today. Yeah, this is one of those Degen plays too, I guess you could say. But Spirit's available on MEXC. We did buy a MEXC. We bought it last week around 0.005, something like that. Indicators are pretty hot right now on it though. But if we actually went back to the all-time high, I don't think this is the full chart, but if you go back to the all-time high here, that's a 21x. That happened in October 2023. And I think if we actually go to DEX, let me go to Spirit. Because we actually used Phantom to get it. Yeah, bounced right off the 618. We went back to the high. That's a 40x. So we got in right at the 786. So I'm just gonna hold this because, you know, all the coins on AVAX, when AVAX ran, they absolutely ran. All the coins on Solana, when Solana ran, they ran. So if Phantom starts running, all the coins on Phantom are gonna start running as well. So I am in Spirit. I am in Phantom Doge. RIP, but I mean, this thing isn't moving. I mean, I guess it's moving. But yeah, if this went back to the high, that's a 281x. Hi, did you go over Akita? Great show, man. Congrats. Yeah, I have not gone over Akita. Thanks for reminding me. What I like about this though, Phantom Doge, the liquidity's locked. So there is decent liquidity here. It has it's only $297,000 market cap, so extremely small. Liquidity is 297,000 because, you know, it's the market cap. Liquidity is locked. When Phantom starts going up, the liquidity is going to go up because liquidity is Phantom. So as the price of Phantom goes up, the liquidity is going to go up. So there is 5 issues though. The tax is modifiable. The ownership's not renounced. There's a buy tax of 10%. There's a sell tax of 7%. So there is a lot of issues on it. But yeah, we did buy some Phantom Doge. We did. Not a whole lot. I think we bought like 200 bucks. Not a whole lot. But if it goes back up there, man, 200 bucks times 200. Then Akita. I think Akita is going to be a good one too. That's in our portfolio. What am I looking at here? There we go. It is Akita. Down 5-1. So let's look at Akita in the short term. We bought it on MEXC. I want to look at it on MEXC. Yeah, Akita's about ready to rip, dude. Broke out of its lifelong downtrend, or just downtrend since May of 2021. Multi-year downtrend. Akita broke, back tested, and it's starting to rip now. This looks just like VXV, but VXV right now is currently only right here. VXV broke out, back tested it, and it hasn't started running yet. Akita's already broke out, back tested, and it's starting to run right now. So if Akita goes back to the high from here, that's 170x from the current price. We got Akita right back here. But yeah, if you get into Akita right now, the possibility that you get 156x is definitely on the table. Because I think if we look at the price, you can't compare it to the market cap unless we go to Coin Market Cap. Let me see if they have more information on it. Yeah, 12 million market cap. Okay, so we can actually do all and compare the price. Oh man, so they just updated the market cap, so that's not going to be helpful. I was going to see if they put more coins in circulation, because the total supply is 92, the max supply is 100, so 92% of the coins are in circulation. Man, I really hope we make it this bull run. We got to. I mean, we busted our ass throughout that bear market, guys. Did we not? If you were part of this channel, man, you know we didn't give up. We were doing videos every day. We showed up. We were in the Discord every single day. Grinding, still looking, dragging our feet, but we still did it. And I mean, we did find some pretty good buys there in that bear market. So hopefully it plays out for the bull run, man. I'm gonna be upset if I don't make it, man. I'm gonna cry. Like, we worked hard. We worked really hard in the bear market. But all right, guys. Well, I think I'm going to wrap up the stream there. Just a nice little over an hour long stream. Live streams are just a lot easier than making videos. You're able to cover so many more coins. So we'll do another live stream in a couple days. I'm not going to upload any videos tomorrow. I have a Christmas event I have to attend to. So tomorrow is going to be a rest day. I mean, even God rested on the 7th day. Not comparing myself to the Lord whatsoever, but. So, all right, guys, with that, none of this is financial advice. I appreciate everybody coming out. And if you want to chat with me off the live stream, you can join my Discord channel. The link is below in the description. And if you are interested in doing futures or doing copy trading on futures to make money that way on BTCC, join the Discord and drop a link in there. We have 3 master traders on BTCC that you can copy trade off of, and you can see their P&L and everything like that. So if you're interested in future trading but you don't know how to do it, jump on the Discord. Be more than happy to help you guys out. So with that, guys, I'll catch you guys next time on the live stream of Charting Crypto.